Want to quickly transfer photos from your phone to Google Drive without sending them by email? I will show you how to do it simply and efficiently, saving your time and nerves. Stay until the end to learn a useful life hack. So let's get started. Before we start, I recommend connecting to Wi-Fi for faster upload, but moving forwards, open the Google Drive app on your phone, simply click on its icon and go to the Files tab. In this tab, choose the folder where you want to upload the photos and simply click on it. Here, tap on the plus icon and here click on the Upload feature. So from the files, select the photos and pretty much upload them. So click the Upload button right here and your photos will now start uploading to the selected folder. You can track the progress at the bottom of the screen, and for a faster upload, keep the app opened and stay connected to Wi-Fi. So done! Now your photos are instantly available in the selected Google Drive folder, both on your phone and your computer. So if this video helped you, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. It motivates me to create even more helpful videos. Thank you for watching until the end. See you in the next video. Bye!